Hey guys, it's me. From an animal that can shock you with electricity to one that has almost no natural enemies. Here are 10 animals with real-life superpowers. Number 10. Electric eel. The electric eel isn't technically an eel, but rather a knifefish, but its common name makes more sense when you consider its amazing abilities. Not only does this fish have the power to generate electricity, but it also uses its body as a reservoir to store this energy. Its specialized cells called electrocytes allow it to build up an electrical charge, which it can then unleash when needed. And boy, can these eels deliver a shocking surprise attack? An electric eel can release a bolt of electricity reaching up to 600 volts in power. This voltage is enough to stun its prey, making it easier for the eel to go in for the kill. But an electric eel's weapon isn't just useful for hunting, it's also a great defense mechanism against potential predators. The eel's powerful discharge can deter attackers, keeping them away and ensuring the eel's survival. Imagine being out for a swim and suddenly getting zapped by an electric eel. You definitely wouldn't forget that experience anytime soon. That's how powerful their electric shocks are. Number 9. Lyrebird. If you've ever been surprised by a fake chainsaw noise in the woods, you might have been hearing the call of a lyrebird. Known for its incredible ability to mimic other birds' calls, the lyrebird can also imitate a wide range of sounds from its environment. These sounds include chainsaws, car alarms, camera shutters, and even mobile phones. When mimicking these sounds, the lyrebird doesn't just copy their acoustic qualities, but also the rhythm and intonation. This makes the imitation almost indistinguishable from the original sound. For example, they don't just mimic the sound of a chainsaw, but also the way it sounds while cutting wood. The lyrebird's vocal talents make it a fascinating creature to study, and an eerie presence to encounter in the wild. Just imagine hearing a realistic chainsaw noise coming from a bird. That would be quite a sight to behold. Number 8. Tardigrade. Tardigrades, also known as water bears or moss piglets, are microscopic animals that live in water. Despite their small size, these creatures have some truly remarkable abilities. They can survive extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, and even harsh conditions like radiation and the vacuum of space. In fact, tardigrades can withstand more than 10 times the radiation that would kill a human. To survive in such extreme environments, tardigrades enter a state called cryptobiosis, where their metabolism slows down to extremely low levels. This allows them to survive without food or water for extended periods. But what's most amazing about tardigrades is their ability to survive the vacuum of space. During this time, they lose almost all of their body water and become completely dehydrated. Yet, when rehydrated, they can still survive. Tardigrades can live anywhere from a few months to decades depending on their environment. These little creatures are not only fascinating to study, but they also remind us that there's still so much we do want to know about the world around us. So next time you see a puddle of water, remember that you might be looking at a habitat shared by tiny yet incredibly resilient creatures. Number 7. Immortal jellyfish. Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish, is a small, translucent creature that lives in the oceans around the world. What makes this jellyfish truly special is its ability to revert back to its juvenile state after reaching sexual maturity. This means that it can essentially reset its life cycle and live forever. When faced with environmental stressors or injuries, the immortal jellyfish enters a state called transdifferentiation. During this process, its cells transform into different types of cells, allowing the jellyfish to grow and develop into a new polyp. These polyps then bud off into new jellyfish, creating clones of the original. This process allows the jellyfish to reproduce and create more of its kind. But it also means that it can theoretically live forever. There are many theories as to why the immortal jellyfish has developed this ability, but scientists believe it may have something to do with avoiding predators or recovering from injury. Whatever the reason, it's safe to say that the immortal jellyfish is a truly unique and fascinating creature. Number 6. Mantis shrimp. The mantis shrimp, also known as the smasher shrimp, is a crustacean that lives in the oceans around the world. It's known for its incredible punching ability, which it uses to capture prey and defend itself. When the mantis shrimp strikes, it creates a cavitation bubble underwater. This bubble is similar to the ones created by a boat's propeller and can reach temperatures as high as 7,000 degrees Fahrenheit. At this temperature, the mantis shrimp's punch can boil the insides of its prey, killing it instantly. In addition to its powerful punch, the mantis shrimp also releases a bright flash of light underwater. This flash can stun its prey, making it easier for the shrimp to capture it. Some species of mantis shrimp can punch up to 50 times per second, and their punches are so powerful that they've been known to break aquarium glass. So if you ever see a mantis shrimp in the wild, be sure to keep your distance. Number 5. Axolotl. The axolotl is a type of salamander that lives in Mexico. It's known for its incredible regenerative abilities, which include the power to regrow limbs, organs, and even parts of its brain. Axolotls can regenerate body parts in response to injury or disease, a process that's controlled by specialized stem cells in their bodies. These cells are able to turn into any type of cell in the body, allowing them to repair damaged tissues and organs. The regeneration process begins with the formation of a wound that heals over time. As the wound heals, new cells begin to form in the area, eventually growing into the missing limb or organ. In some cases, the regenerated limb will be stronger than the original. Axolotls are also able to regenerate parts of their brain. This is an incredible ability considering that the brain is one of the most complex organs in the body. However, the regeneration process is slow and can take several weeks to complete. Despite their incredible regenerative abilities, axolotls are endangered in their natural habitat. Habitat loss due to climate change and pollution is the main threat to their survival. However, thanks to their unique abilities, axolotls have become a popular subject of study in medical research, offering hope for the development of new treatments for humans. Number 4. Bombardier beetle. The bombardier beetle is a type of beetle that lives in the Americas and parts of Europe. It's known for its incredible ability to shoot a boiling hot chemical spray from its rear end. This spray is a mixture of hydroquinone and hydrogen peroxide, which the beetle synthesizes in specialized glands. When the beetle feels threatened, it quickly mixes these chemicals together, creating a highly reactive substance that's expelled from its abdomen with great force. The spray can reach temperatures of up to 175 degrees Celsius and can travel up to 5 feet. This is hot enough to burn the skin of its attackers and is a very effective defense mechanism. In addition to its powerful spray, the bombardier beetle can also release a smaller burst of chemicals that acts as a smokescreen. This allows the beetle to escape from danger while confusing its predator. The bombardier beetle's unique ability to produce and fire a boiling hot liquid is a fascinating example of the incredible adaptations that organisms have evolved over time. Number 3. African lungfish. The African lungfish is a type of fish that lives in Africa. It's known for its incredible ability to survive in dried-up waterholes for years at a time. When the waterhole dries up, the lungfish leaves behind a layer of dried mucus on its body and enters a state of dormancy called cryptobiosis. During this time, its metabolism slows down to extremely low levels, allowing it to survive without water or oxygen for extended periods. When water returns to the dried-up riverbed, the lungfish rehydrates and comes out of its dormant state. African lungfish are able to survive in both water and air because they have lungs as well as gills. Their lungs allow them to breathe oxygen from the air, while their gills allow them to breathe underwater. In addition to their unique respiratory system, African lungfish also have special adaptations that help them survive in harsh conditions. Their bodies are covered in mucus, which helps to prevent them from drying out, and they can also regulate their own body temperature, allowing them to survive in a wide range of environments. The African lungfish's ability to survive in dried-up waterholes for years at a time is a truly remarkable feat of adaptation and resilience. Number 2. Platypus. The platypus is a strange and unique animal that's found only in Australia. It's a mammal that lays eggs and has a duck-like bill, webbed feet, and a beaver-like tail. Perhaps even stranger is the fact that the platypus is one of the few venomous mammals in the world. Only the male platypus has a venomous spur on its ankle, which it uses during mating season to inject a venom into its rival. The venom is a powerful neurotoxin that can cause paralysis and is potentially lethal to humans. Despite its dangerous venom, the platypus is a shy and gentle creature that feeds primarily on aquatic invertebrates. One of the most fascinating aspects of the platypus is its ability to sense electric fields. It does this using specialized receptors in its bill that detect the weak electric signals given off by the muscle contractions of its prey. This ability allows the platypus to navigate murky waters with ease and find food even in the darkest depths. So if you're ever in Australia, be sure to keep an eye out for this unusual and amazing animal. Number 1. Box jellyfish. The box jellyfish, also known as the sea wasp, is a deadly creature that lives in the oceans around the world. It's known for its nearly transparent body and potent venom. The box jellyfish is one of the most dangerous animals in the ocean, and its sting can be fatal to humans. What makes the box jellyfish so dangerous is its invisible nature. Its transparent body makes it difficult to see in the water, which means that swimmers often don't see the jellyfish until it's too late. When the box jellyfish stings its victim, it injects a venom that contains a neurotoxin called cardiotoxin. Cardiotoxin can cause paralysis and cardiac arrest, leading to death within minutes. In addition to its deadly sting, the box jellyfish also has a unique shape and structure. It has a box-like bell that's divided into 4 sections, each with a different function. The bell allows the jellyfish to move through the water with ease, and its 4 sections contain stinging cells that are used for hunting and defense. The box jellyfish is an incredibly efficient hunter, able to capture prey with its stinging cells and then eat it with its specialized mouth. Despite its dangerous nature, the box jellyfish is a vital part of the marine ecosystem. It helps to control populations of other marine creatures and provides food for larger animals. So while it's important to be aware of the dangers of the box jellyfish, it's also important to appreciate its role in the natural world. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.